Hello dear students, in today's demonstration I am going to show you how to prepare a traditional chicken pastilla. Chicken pastilla is nothing but a chicken pie made from burka and a traditional Moroccan chicken mix. Let's check the ingredients for that. For preparing chicken pastilla, we need the following ingredients: chicken mince, fine chopped onion, melted butter, some demi-glaze or brown gravy, fresh tomato puree, coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, fine chopped celery, basil and spinach puree, cinnamon powder, and fine chopped coriander leaves. We also need varka or pastry, filo pastry or samosa patti for preparing the pie. Now let's get started with the recipe. To begin with, in a heavy water pan, add some oil. Add half cup of fine chopped onions. Add a small cup of fine chopped celery. Now add the dry spices, half spoon of coriander seed powder, half spoon of cumin seed powder, and a half spoon of cinnamon powder. Add half spoon of salt. Later we can add more to adjust the seasoning. Now we're gonna add fresh tomato puree. Cook it well for a couple of minutes. Now add chicken mince to it. Please make sure you segregate the chicken breast mince and mix it very well, otherwise it will form lumps in your pan. Now add a cup of chicken stock, half cup of basil and spinach puree, and half cup of demi-glaze or brown gravy to the mixture. Now simmer the mixture for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now at this stage, add fine chopped coriander and give it a nice stir. What we are looking for is a semi-thick mixture, so there is still now plenty of moisture in this. So we're gonna simmer it for another 5-10 minutes till the liquid evaporates. Then we'll start the next step of preparing the chicken pastilla. This is the semi-dry consistency what we are looking for. Now we're gonna switch off the gas. We're gonna check the seasoning. We're gonna cool it down for at least 15-20 minutes before we start with the next step procedure. For preparing the pastilla, take a medium pan and grease it with butter. Please make sure all the sides are neatly coated with melted butter. Now place filo pastry in the pan and coat it with plenty of butter. Repeat the process till you cover the entire pan. Once the pan is coated with the filo pastry, add the mixture in the center. Place half piece of pastry on top of the mixture and coat it with melted butter. This is to seal off any opening on top. Now roll the ends towards the center and close it down tightly. Cover the entire top surface with melted butter. Melted butter provides moisture to the filo pastry so that it will stay in its place, and when we put this in the oven, it will be nice and crispy and golden brown from outside. Now the dish is ready to go in the oven. We're going to cook it for 20-25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now the dish is ready. It has been cooked at 180 degrees Celsius for at least 20 minutes. Now we're gonna plate the dish. Gently slide it on the plate. Dust it with icing sugar. That's the traditional way of serving pastilla. Few streaks of parsley. Some soaked raisins. And some roasted almond flakes. Chicken pastilla is now ready to serve. Thank you very much. See you in the next demonstration.